someone caught them. And,
Two Birds Sunset Ale.
someone
I'd hit that.
and,
Okay. Oh no, 4.6%, rich toffee malt, pine grapefruit, hops. Probably Cascade and Centennial.
nobody had ever seen it before.
Pours a dark amber colour.
Anyway, so
So-
I found out they mixed this.
Oops, Laura's gonna get cranky if I don't fix my hair.
Phone for that.
Right, let's look north today. There we go. There's a lot of malt in there, like real toffee notes. As I said, there's not much grapefruit hops. Pine, there's a little bit there, a bit of oxidation on it. A little bit of grapefruit and pine hops in the mouth. Rich malt body, a little bit of oxidation. It's medium bitterness, medium sweet up front, medium full body, medium sweet finish. Actually, it's pretty sweet up front, medium sweet finish. Strong toffee notes. It's just a nice sort of amber ale, but I'd like to try it fresh. I'd like to see more hops.